Welcome dear trader. In this video you'll learn a lesson about Vwap versus moving average, the difference between it and what is better to use for you in your trading. Let's go. My name is Yuri, top often trading you with nearly 60,000 followers. I ask you to push like, subscribe because that's the best thank you. My friends, in this lesson I'll share with you what is Vwap and what is moving average and principal difference between both of them. First one, what is Vwap? Vwap is volume weighted average price. How it looks on a chart. This white one, it is a Vwap. This blue one, it is a moving average. I think many of you saw it. I think we can also open it here and it would be even better to watch it on Bitcoin. What's the difference between Vwap and moving average? That's the most important question that some of you can ask me. As you can see here, I did for you a Vwap. A Vwap, it shows to you the same moving average, but it is respected to volume. What does it mean? I think you understand that inside of every candle we have amount of trades that happens and amount of volume that trades open and close. And what's the difference Vwap between moving average? You can build the moving average, take a look, open a chart. You can build it by, take a look, there must be style, inputs. As you can see, source, we can build a moving average at low of every candle. What does it mean? It calculate low of every candle. We can build moving average by high, as you can see, by open, high-low difference, high-low close, as you can see. We can build also it by volume moving average. As you can see, open, high-low close, it is average price. It is average price of a candle. That means it doesn't matter where most of trades happened. Most of trades could be like, imagine like this candle. Take a look how Vwap different compared to moving average. As you can see, Vwap here below. Why? Because people, take a look, I open volume. Because as you can see, people did trades here. Price were in a range. And if we add this area, for example, to these candles, here this area is bigger. It means people did a lot of trades here and after that price moves. Best example on Vwap you can do, for example, like here. Take a look. As you can see, what's going on here. Price get dropped dramatically. Take a look here. And biggest volume at bottom, as you can see inside in this range. And when price broke that range, take a look here. As you can see, Vwap moves far more slowly. As you can see, moving average moves far more sharply than Vwap. Why? Because imagine that we have really huge volume here. I would like to open all type of volume. Take a look. We have big volume here and price, as you can see, moves as an average of it. After that price dropped, but biggest volume, as you can see, were here. After that volume adjusts to this range and we have nearly volume between this and this area. But moving average doesn't care where people open the biggest amount of trades. It just move after it. Why Vwap built like that? Because beauty of crypto market, we have all trades recorded in a footprint. That means every trade, it's really far more easy to build a Vwap because we have access to all trades. Let's summarize for you. Vwap, it shows to you balance of a day. Vwap share with you average position of a day. Example for you how Vwap played out. Take a look here. As you can see, it shows to you average position of a day. One day, Vwap, it is intraday indicator. It is not a weekly indicator. And take a look what happened. Here, before this massive drop, price retested Vwap. Sometimes when price in a range, it will move around the Vwap. In most cases, it is the best to use Vwap when we have really good and beautiful trend and follow it. For example, like here, take a look how price bounced from Vwap here. Also, you can see that sometimes, as you can see, like this range, when price broke Vwap, it is really awesome to trade after pullbacks to Vwap. As you can see, in what cases I personally use Vwap? When price in a range, price moves around Vwap. When price broke any range, it's good to trade pullback to Vwap. Additionally, different strategies that we use with Vwap, we share with our A to Z course, the additional scalp strategies that you use on intraday basis with Vwap. If you want to get access, that would be linked below. You can write to our team and ask about it. That would help you trade much better. Thank you for your time. Share this lesson with your friends. Bye.